Hello and welcome to this tutorial on the time spreader. When you initially download the time spreader, you'll get a file that looks a lot like this. This is whether you use the LibreOffice Calc version or the Excel version, the two look and function very similarly. The first thing you do when starting up a new time spreader is to customize it just a little bit. That includes changing these names on the top level to reflect whatever you need them to reflect. So they could be specific task types, or in this case, I'm going to change them. So this one says ABC Company, and this one is going to be the time I spend with DEF. And some of it is going to be overhead. I'm not going to use a fourth client today just because I don't happen to have a need for it, but you can adjust these as you go. That is the only typing you need to do to use this tool. From here on, it's going to be entirely just clicks of the mouse. As I do this tutorial, I'll pause the recording from time to time so that we can allow time to pass so we have some actual time recorded in the spreadsheet. So let's start, and right now we're going to say that the time I'm spending now is working for ABC Company. So I just got in. I'm going to insert a time, and you'll notice that the next thing it does is it immediately moves to the next one, to the stop. This is where you will need to click next. So it just automatically moves you there. You don't have to do anything else. When you're ready to switch to the next task or the next client, you'll click Insert Time in the stop, move to the next area, or if you're taking time away from the desk, wait until you get back and insert time again. Return to your task, whatever you're doing, and wait for the next change of task. I'll populate a couple as we go along without other comment. So at the end of the day, enter your last time. At the end of the day, we're going to click the End of Day button. You'll see it switches you to Sheet 2, and you'll see the totals here, the date and the amount of time for each client, and the total. Then the average runs over 25 days. This is assuming roughly a 25-day or less work month. So that's why the total is 25 instead of some round number like 30. Once that's been entered and you've checked that that's okay, go back to Sheet 1, clear all the inputs, say yes, save your file, and you're back to having a clean spreadsheet ready to go for the next day. Take a look at Sheet 2 again. There's our one-day total. Sheet 3 gives us the totals for that particular month divided by client. And of course, these will add up as the days go on. So there you have it, a little quick start under 4 minutes of your time. Hope this tool saves you lots of time.